Okay, Pisces. I've been doing your reading over and over again. All right, I'm not going to put the cards back. This is the spread I got, and then it got disconnected. So I'm just going to redo the reading. Okay. So let's see. Okay, Pisces. So this is you and your person here. Let's see what's going on in your connection from the 12th to the 18th of July 2021. And again, pick and choose the side that you resonate most with. All right. Now, if you are on this side out here, or if you're on this side out here, whatever it is, I feel right now you've withdrawn yourself completely from this person. I feel there's no communication from your side here. You're not talking to them. You're not responding to their messages. I feel that you're ghost for sure. Okay, your focus is yourself. I feel here. Okay, you're focused on your growth, your expansion, you're focused on yourself, you're doing what's best for you, you're in that very abundant mode, where it's like that law of attraction. You're naturally attracting partners to you. Okay, why? Because with the law of attraction, you're just letting it go with the flow. You're not trying to be in the driver's seat. You're just no more into that masculine energy. It doesn't matter if you're a boy or a girl, but right now you are embracing your feminine side. You're in that nurturing side. Okay, and you're just taking of yourself, taking care. You're more on the spiritual and emotional side rather than being in the physical and more materialistic side, is what I'd say here. Okay, but yes, you've taken some time off here. You want to be alone. You're in solitude right now, and I don't think that you're entertaining any connection right now. But the connection that you're dealing with is a connection where I think someone out here was very very sloppy. Okay, very sloppy, and someone who just was very bitter also, I feel. But someone who very slow moving. Okay, this person is very slow moving, and this person probably had a lot of responsibilities. Okay, and this person was not being able to focus on this connection. Right now this person looks like they're stuck and stagnant. They're not really putting any effort into this connection right now. What I feel is, with the 10 of Pentacles here, this person does want something stable, committed, solid with you. Okay, that's what's there on their mind here. And you know why you're attracting that? Because with the Empress out here, this is you sitting in your power here. You're no longer interested in whether this person, in short, you don't give a fuck to this person, and that's exactly how you need to manifest this. Okay, they come in, cool. They don't, cool. That's what's happening here, and that's why with the 10 of Pentacles here, now this person thinks that they're ready to give you something solid, committed. Okay, but earlier I think this person was here someone who was not ready for change. Now this person is ready for change, because earlier they were stuck in that routine, a certain mindset. All right, and now this person is ready for change, is what I'm getting here. um what else? I think they're ready for change, but they're too scared to make a move. Yeah, that's what I'm getting here. That's what I'm getting here. One more thing is that these kind of people, right, they have a very terrible time managing their priorities. Okay, and they often prioritize in the completely wrong end of what is actually supposed to be important, which is what has happened in your case. I feel instead of giving you the priority, the connection the priority, their focus was money, career, goals, or whatever, anything else except you. Okay, which is why this 10 of Pentacles was still like a stuck and stagnant energy. Now you're on your own. You've completely disconnected from this person. You're with the Emperor in reverse here. I feel that this is someone here who you've been dealing with, someone who's very very rigid, very stubborn, or that's just how you feel, right? Someone who's like my way or the highway, someone who has insecurity issues. Okay, because this person does you they're not being able to control you anymore, right? So it's that insecurity issues which makes them a control freak out here. This person lacks structure, is what I'm getting here. Now what you're doing is, I think you're trying to turn your back towards this person. I think you waited for a very long time for this person to come towards you correctly, but it's their uh, lack of action which forced you to just leave the connection, let it be what it is, and just keep doing what you need to do. Like you're doing you, is what I'm getting. Now this person here is very very determined, very very ready to move towards you. Okay, and they're ready to go through any obstacles that come between you and them. Okay, that's what I'm getting here. And with the Ace of Wands here, this person is coming towards you with a brand new beginning, a clean new slate. I feel this person here needed to be in that zone, and you needed to learn to come into that element of yours. Okay, like the Empress energy, where you're abundant, you don't need anyone, you're okay on your own, you're enough. Okay, and I feel this is what you both needed to learn your lessons, is what I'm getting here. This person is finally getting their shit together. No more lack of confidence. Okay, earlier they had a lot of doubt, a lot of self doubt, there were delays, distance could be a problem between between you both, lack of self-confidence. Now this person has the brain in their hand and they're like, you know what, I'm going to do this with my Pisces. I'm going to go towards them and I want this new beginning anyhow with the commitment out here. You on the other hand here, I feel you're just turning your back, like I said, right? You're probably looking at exploring other horizons, exploring other options, or you're just not looking at them. Now, with the action out here with the Ace of Cups in reverse here, this person is still coming back towards you, okay? But I feel they're coming towards you unhealed. Do you understand what unhealed means? It means that this person here lacks forgiveness. Because they lack forgiveness, this person here comes from a place of resentment, from a place of anger, hatred, okay? So whenever this person wakes up every morning, they feel they're not worth it, they feel they're not worth the love, etc., which is why they keep sabotaging the connection out here. This person is coming towards you because with the Eight of Cups in reverse here, this person cannot find the emotional strength to walk away from you. This person is quite a coward in a way, I'd say, because they try to run away from emotional vulnerability, all right? But they're coming back towards you even though they're shut off, right? So don't expect a lot of emotional uh, a lot of opening up emotionally. I don't think that's going to happen, but they're still wanting to come towards you. You on the other hand here, you're done fighting, babe. You're done fighting, you're giving up, you just feel it's not in your hands anymore, things are out of control, and you're just moving away from this person, okay? I think you're moving forward very successfully. You feel it is what it is and there's not much you can do about this, and the best you can do is walk away for the moment. Let's see the outcome. Eight of Pentacles in reverse and the Four of Pentacles. Okay. There is a lack of effort here from whatever. It's a collective outcome here. So there is still a lack of effort here in the outcome, but I feel this is you who's not putting in the work. You're holding back, you're in a state of shutdown when this person comes in. Even if there's something that happens between you both, I feel there are chances you're not going to put in the effort that you did in the past, because this was something very, it was like a repetitive work, right? You kept doing the same thing over and over again to expect different results. But what happened? Nothing really happened. You were disappointed and you didn't get the fruits of your labor. Nothing came into fruition. So now you're choosing to just hold back from this person out here. This person out here in their actions there, they are emotionally shut off, emotionally blocked, but they're still coming back towards you. So it's going to be up to you, okay? It's going to be up to you. One second, I just need to check. Yeah, you're holding back from this person no matter what. You're not giving in. You have a lot of passion for this person, okay? Take it vice versa if that resonates, but they're holding back. Yeah, you are not trusting your intuition, I feel, okay? I feel you're releasing any kind of fear, anxiety, stress that was attached to this situation here. You see things for what it is, you see things very, very clearly, and for you, the clarity is that, you know what, you put in the work and effort into something that was a waste of time. That's what you think out here. It's a lot of confusion here, right? So all this while probably you were very confused here. Inner confusion is what I'd say. But now it's like you're no longer letting any kind of emotions affect you is also what I'm getting here. I think you're ready to address your feelings. Like, yes, you do feel for this person yet, but when it comes to putting the work, it's a big fat move from your side. You're holding back and you're not going to open up. You know, no matter what happens, you're going to tame this temptation, tame this situation, and no matter how much they try to come towards you, you're just like, there's like this no trespassing allowed is what I'm getting from your side, okay? Just like a big fat no entry from your side. So that's what I have for you, Pisces. Hope this reading resonates. Leave your comments below, like, share, subscribe, and I will see you next time. Bye bye.